Well, good afternoon. Markets are closing as we speak. We still got about a minute or so to go. Let's just talk about the exports that came out this morning. A very positive number for cotton, very negative number for soybeans. Corn and wheat were so-so. We have to remember that the number that came out today reflected the export sales of December the 28th through January the 3rd. Historically, the last week of the year is one of the slowest. That proved to be true today. It was a surprise. We had a cancellation from China in soybeans. The cancellation, let's see, was for about 800,000, I believe, 800,000 metric tons canceled. That left an actual negative number of 612,000 metric tons. The cotton number was outstanding, especially considering it was the last day of the year, last week of the year. 299,800 running bales, very good. And the market is closing out positive for cotton. It's right now up about 20 at 70. Well, let's go to May. Up 22 at 71.62. The high is 71.95. The low is 71.15. Now, cotton struggled some today because of soybeans. The soybean report that came out, this negative one, caused that market to sell off, get down 13. That's where it is right now. Down 13 at 903 and 3/4, low of 903, high of 918 and a quarter. Cotton tried to rally. When soybeans could not and started to get hit, it seemed to pull cotton back down with it, even though cotton had positive news. So the market held throughout the day in cotton, and it's going to close up. But we've just got to stabilize the soybean market right now because this number was not taken well by the market. Looking at corn, down 4 at 374 and 3/4, high of 379, low of 374. March wheat down 15, that's a bad one. 507 and a quarter, high of 522 and a half, low of 506. The looking at those numbers quickly, the export figure, export sales, corn was 459,800. That's off from what we've seen. Just like beans were not good. Wheat, 131,200. That's a marketing year low, 131,200 metric tons. And look at wheat, down 15 and a quarter. So as we get into next Thursday, and mark this on the calendar, that's going to reflect about 5 weeks of exports all bunched together to get us current. And we think that will be a stunning number. And the market will have to deal with that, and I would assume it will be moving back up. I just don't know how quick that starts to be a realization for this market. So crude oil up at 61 cents a barrel, dollar down 12, gold down $1 an ounce, silver down 10 cents an ounce. Looking at the screen, the Dow Jones is down 21, so a pretty ho-hum day for the stock market. So that's it. Positive day for cotton, negative day for grains. We'll take a look at this thing first thing in the morning. We'll see you then.